In the fast-paced digital age, where attention spans are shrinking and the demand for visual content is soaring, the art of storytelling has remarkably evolved. Enter Pictory, an innovative tool that is redefining the way we create and share videos. Today, we explore the magic of visual storytelling with Pictory and how you can create stunning videos in just a few minutes. Every great story begins with inspiration, and Pictory invites you to tap into the boundless possibilities of your imagination. Imagine transforming your written content, like blog posts or articles, into engaging visual narratives that captivate audiences. Pictory bridges the gap between static words and dynamic visuals, turning your ideas into video masterpieces that resonate across platforms. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, Pictory automates the often tedious process of video creation. But how does it work? Simply input your script or text and watch as Pictory swiftly assembles a video, complete with images, video clips, and even a theme to match the essence of your story. This automation not only accelerates production, but also ensures consistency and quality, giving you more time to focus on crafting impactful messages. One of the standout features of Pictory is its vast library of media assets. With access to an extensive collection of royalty-free images and video clips, your creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're illustrating a blog post about exotic travel destinations or explaining complex technology concepts, Pictory's resources empower you to convey your message with precision and flair. This allows you to customize your videos, adapting them to your unique style and branding. Beyond aesthetics, Pictory's AI-driven platform also takes sound into account. The tool offers a variety of music tracks to enhance the emotional impact of your video, making it more engaging and immersive. Combined with intuitive voiceover capabilities, Pictory provides every element needed to narrate your story compellingly. The result? A complete sensory experience that draws viewers in and leaves a lasting impression. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of Pictory, one cannot overlook its user-friendly interface. Designed with simplicity in mind, even those with no prior video editing experience can navigate Pictory with ease. The intuitive drag-and-drop features, coupled with straightforward editing tools, render the video creation process accessible to all, democratizing storytelling for creators around the globe. In a world where first impressions are crucial, Pictory ensures your content stands out in the crowd. The videos you create are not only visually appealing, but also adaptable across multiple platforms, from social media to professional presentations. Sharing your story has never been easier or more impactful, thanks to the seamless export options that retain quality across any device. In conclusion, Pictory is more than just a video creation tool. It's a gateway to innovative storytelling that invites everyone to partake in the digital renaissance. By transforming complex concepts into captivating visuals, Pictory enables you to communicate with clarity, creativity, and confidence. As you embark on your storytelling journey with Pictory, remember that every frame, every sound, and every moment has the power to inspire and connect with audiences worldwide. Unlock your storytelling potential today and create stunning videos with Pictory in just minutes.